In 1985, Maine lighthouse keeper Thomas Curry rescues Atlanta, the queen of the underwater nation of Atlantis. They eventually fall in love and have a son named Arthur, who is born with the power to communicate with marine life forms. Atlanta is forced to abandon her family and return to Atlantis, entrusting to her advisor Valko with the mission of training Arthur. Under Valko's guidance, Arthur becomes a skilled warrior but rejects Atlantis upon learning that Atlanta was executed for having a half-breed son in the present. 1 year after the events of Justice League, where Steppenwolf invaded, Arthur confronts a group of pirates attempting to hijack a Russian naval nuclear submarine. Their leader Jesse Kane dies during the confrontation, while his son David vows revenge. Another Russian submarine discovers Atlantis and attacks it, but armed the Ocean Master succeeds in destroying it and uses it as a reason to commence war. King Nereus of Zemel swears allegiance to Orm's cause, but his daughter Mira, who has been betrothed to Orm, refuses to aid them and journeys to the surface to ask Arthur for help, earning his trust by saving Thomas from a tsunami sent by Orm, and Arthur reluctantly accompanies Mira to a rendezvous with Valko, who urges Arthur to find the Trident of Odland, a magic artifact that once belonged to Atlanta's first ruler, in order to reclaim his rightful place as king. They are ambushed by Orm's men, and Mira and Valko escape without having been seen. While Arthur is captured, Arthur is chained and presented before Orm, who blames Arthur and the surface for Atlanta's death. He offers Arthur an opportunity to leave forever, but Arthur instead challenges him to a duel in a ring of underwater lava, or gains the upper hand and nearly kills Arthur before Mira rescues him. Together, Arthur and Mira journey to the Sahara Desert, where the Trident was forged, and unlock a holographic message that leads them to Sicily, Italy, where they retrieve the Trident coordinates. Meanwhile, Form provides David with a prototype Atlanta and battlesuit to kill Arthur, imprisons Valko after revealing knowledge of his betrayal, and courses the Atlantean kingdom of the fishermen to pledge their allegiance to him and his campaign against the surface. After modifying Orm's technology, a fully armored David rechristened himself as Black Manta and ambushes Arthur and Mira in Sicily, injuring Arthur before being thrown off a cliff to his apparent death. Mira nurses Arthur's wounds as they journey to the Trident's whereabouts and encourages him to embrace his destiny as a hero. Arriving at their destination, Arthur and Mira are attacked by the amphibious monsters called the Trench, but manage to fend them off and reach a wormhole that transports them to an uncharted sea located at the center of the earth. There they are unexpectedly reunited with Atlanta, who was sacrificed to the Trench for her crimes but managed to escape and reach the uncharted sea, where she has been stranded ever since. Arthur faces Keratin, a mythical leviathan and keeper of the Trident, and voices his determination to protect both Atlantis and the surface, proving his worth and reclaiming the Trident, which grants him control over the Seven Seas. Orm and his allies lead an army against the crustacean forces of the Kingdom of the Brine with the intent of completing Orm's surface battle preparations. As Orm declares himself Ocean Master, Arthur and Mira, with the assistance of Karen and the Trench, intervene and lead an army of marine creatures in a battle against him. Form's followers renounce their obedience to him and embrace Arthur as the true king. Upon learning he wields the Trident, Arthur defeats Orm in combat but chooses to spare his life, and Orm accepts his fate after discovering Arthur is found and rescued. Atlanta returns to the surface to reunite with Thomas, while Arthur ascends to the throne with Mira by his side. In a mid-credits scene, David is rescued by Dr. Stephen Chin, a scientist and conspiracy theorist obsessed with the Atlanteans, and agrees to lead Shin there in exchange for his help in his revenge on Arthur.